Good morning, students. So, exercise 4.3. In that question, their first part completed. Okay. So, start second part. That is 2x square plus x minus 4 is equal to 0. So, first we compare this quadratic equation by ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. By this we will compare. So, a is equal to 2, b is equal to 1 and c is equal to minus 4. A is the coefficient of x square, and in that given equation coefficient of x square is 2. Here coefficient of x is 1 and here b, so b is equal to 1. Here constant term minus 4 and here c, so c is equal to minus 4. So first find discriminant d, and d we know b square minus 4ac. Then putting values, so 1 square minus 4 into 2 into minus 4. So 1 plus, so 33. Okay, d is equal to, so since d greater than 0, therefore roots exist. Okay. So in this question saying that if they exist, means if roots exist, then you find the roots by the method of completing the square. Okay. So after that 2x square plus x minus 4 is equal to 0. So by completing the perfect square method, first if coefficient of x square except 1, means if coefficient of x square not given means 1, except 1 any other value is given, so first you take common. So here 2 is given, so 2 you take common from whole equation. So x square and here 1 by 2x minus 4 by 2 is equal to 0. So 2 take common. Okay. So divide by 2. So what will be x square plus 1 by 2x minus 4 by 2 means 2 is equal to 0. So a square plus 2a into, so told that how to find b. So 2 into x into b is equal to 1 by 2x, x cancel, so b is equal to 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 there is square, add and subtract. So 1 by 4 whole square minus 1 by 4 whole square minus 2 is equal to 0. So in place of this, we can write x plus 1 by 4 whole square is equal to remaining transfer that side. Okay. So 1 by 4 square means 1 upon 16 plus 2. Take LCM and simplify it. So x plus 1 by 4 whole square is equal to 33 upon 16. So x plus 1 by 4 is equal to plus minus under root 33 upon 4. Clear? And after that take positive and negative sign. Okay. Take positive and negative sign. So taking positive sign, we get, okay, so x plus 1 by 4 is equal to under root 33 upon 4. So x square is, x is equal to, transfer that side and denominator same. So under root 31 minus 1 by 4, this first root, and then taking negative sign, we get x is equal to, so negative sign means x minus 1 by 4 is equal to minus under root 33 by 4. So x is equal to this minus 1 upon 4, this second root. So this is the answer of this question. Okay. Similarly third and fourth. So third I will tell, and fourth you do from yourself. Okay. So part 5. 4x square plus 4 under root 3x plus 3 equal to 0. So first find their roots exist or not. So compare this equation by ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So compare it. So a equal to 4, b equal to 4 under root 3 and c equal to 3. Okay. Then find discriminant. So d equal to b square minus 4ac. Okay. Then putting value. So b 4 under root 3 whole square minus 4. A means 4 and c means 3. So there is square 48. Okay, minus 48 is equal to 0. So since d is equal to 0, therefore roots exist. And if roots exist, then find it. So 4x square plus 4 under root 3x plus 3 equal to 0. So here 4x square and 4x square, that is the square of 2x. Okay. So here you can take common, or without common also you can do this. Okay. Or take common, no problem. So 4 take common, so x square plus under root 3 plus 3 by 4 is equal to 0. Divide by 4. So x square plus root 3x equal to 0. So a square plus 2a. Okay. Then find b value. So 2 into x into b is equal to under root 3x. X cancel. So b is equal to under root 3 by 2. Then put here. So this square add and subtract. So under root 3 by 2 whole square minus under root 3 by 2 whole square plus 3 by 4. So is equal to 0. So this is formula. So a plus b whole square, and remaining from this and write these two terms, transfer in right hand side. So there is square 3 by 4 and this minus, so plus, and this plus, so minus, so 0. So x plus under root 3 by 2 whole square is equal to 0. So plus minus 0 means 0, neither positive nor negative. So there both roots will be same. So x plus under root 3 by 2, like this you can write. Okay. So separately you put 0. So if x plus under root 3 by 2 is equal to 0, so x is equal to minus under root 3 by 2, and second root also both will be same because both factors same. Okay. Then start question number 2. Okay. Find the roots of the quadratic equations given in question 1 above by applying the quadratic formula. So before doing this question, okay, we will discuss quadratic formula. Okay. So quadratic formula. And this formula discovered by great mathematician Sridharacharya. Okay. So sometimes we also say this formula Sridharacharya formula. Okay. Or Sridharacharya method. He was a great mathematician and he discovered this formula. Means some quadratic equations. Okay. So we cannot solve by factorization method or by completing the perfect square method. So those quadratic equations by quadratic formula. By quadratic formula, we can find any type of or any quadratic equations. Okay, their solution we can find by quadratic formula. But by factorization and by completing the square method, for in that some conditions. So if following some conditions can do. Okay, otherwise by this method, means by quadratic formula, by this method we can do any quadratic equations, their solution we can find by this formula. Okay, so you see what is this? So quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, and from here we will find x value. Okay, so take a comma and their solution also will come by completing the perfect square method. Okay, so a take comma, so x square plus b upon a into x plus c upon a equal to 0, divide by a, so x square plus b by a into x plus c by a equal to 0. Then so a square plus 2a and then find b value. So 2 into x, here you suppose capital B because small ABC given here, and this is equal to b upon a into x. So x cancel, so b is equal to b upon 2a. Then putting here. So this square add and subtract. So b by 2a whole square minus b by 2a whole square plus c by a remaining. So this is formula. We can write x plus b upon 2a whole square minus this b square upon 4a square plus c by a equal to 0. Okay. So x plus b upon 2a whole square is equal to, transfer that side. So b square upon 4a square minus c by a. Take LCM. So this will be b square minus 4ac. Okay. So here x plus b upon 2a is equal to plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 4a square. Okay. So x plus b upon 2 is equal to plus minus b square minus 4ac, and 4a square there square root 2a. Okay. So b by 2a transfer that side. So x is equal to, so transferring that side, so this will be minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2, and this is quadratic formula. Okay, and this formula also we can write x is equal to, we know that b square minus 4ac, that is discriminant, so directly we can write minus b plus minus under root d upon 2, both same. So any we can use, okay, for finding roots of quadratic equations. Okay, so this is quadratic formula. Okay, so this is also simple. Sometimes also asking for proof. Okay, so if asking proof, then you do by this way. Okay, so from questions you find a b c value, okay, and then find discriminant and after that putting in this. So in question number 2 also we have to do question 1 by quadratic formula. Okay. So question number 2 there first part. So first you compare the given equation by ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So a is equal to 2, b is equal to -7, c is equal to 3. Then find discriminant. So discriminant b square minus 4ac. Then putting values. So 49 minus 24, 25 b square. Okay. Then apply quadratic formula. So by quadratic formula, okay, x is equal to minus b plus minus under d upon 2. Clear? Then putting value, so x is equal to minus b minus 7 plus minus under d is 25, so right here upon 2 into a means 2. Okay, so taking positive sign here, plus minus, so take positive sign. Okay, so taking positive sign we get, so x is equal to this 7 plus minus 5. Okay, positive sign is plus upon 4, so 12 upon 4 is equal to 2. Then taking negative sign we get, so x is equal to 7 minus 5 by 4. So 7 by 5, 2 by 4 is 1 by 2. So this will be answer. So answer that will be same, only method different. Okay, remaining parts like this you can do. Okay. Then question number 3. In question number 3 also here method is not given. Okay, so question number 3 there first part. Okay, x minus 1 upon x is equal to 3. So here method is not given, so by quadratic formula or by completing the square. So take LCM and simplify. So x square minus 1 upon x is equal to 3. So x square minus 1 is equal to 3x. So x square minus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. And after that comparing, so by comparing ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3, c is equal to minus 1. So find discriminant. So discriminant b square minus 4ac. So b that minus 3 whole square minus 4, a means 1, c means minus 1. So 9 plus 4, 13. So d greater than 0 means root exists. Then find by quadratic formula. You write here by using quadratic formula. So minus b plus minus under root b upon 2a. Then putting values. So minus b value minus c plus minus d that is 13 upon 2 into a value 1. So this 3 plus minus under root 13 upon 2. So taking positive and negative sign, their roots will be 3 plus under root 13 by 2 and 3 minus under root 13 by 2. Okay. So its second part also like this you can do. Okay. Remaining I will discuss in next video. Okay. Thank you.